Okay, to create your own topics, like right here, what you're going to do is go to the Pancake Stack and then Admin. And then Display Options. And then Featured Content. And then Topics. So this is you're going to put a check mark next to anything that you want to be on your home screen. For topics, click the little pencil. And then it should show, or you want to click Custom Topics. And the first time you do this, this will all then be blank. So what you'll want to do is import elementary topics. And that's going to import everything that Destiny has created for you. Or you might just want to not do that and create all of your own. It's up to you. But you can import everything Destiny already had if you want to. Okay, to make your own topic, you're going to click Add Blank Topic. And then maybe you want to say Adventure. Change searches to sublocation. And then choose whatever, here we go, Adventure. And then you'll have to either choose one of Destiny's pictures, or you can upload something yourself, a free photo you find online. I'm just gonna do that one. Accept. And then hit save. I don't know if I have anything in my sublocation, but let's take a look. Done. And then when I tried this before, sometimes it took a little bit for it to load. Okay, make sure you hit the save button down here at the bottom. Make sure you're hitting save every single time. And then close, yes. And then now see, I don't see it yet, but last time I had to log out and then log back in. Let's see if that does it this time. Okay, yeah, there you go. So here's my new adventure topic. And yeah, looks like I have 3 books that have sublocation adventure. But if you have a lot in there, it will pull from all of those. So there you go. I hope that was helpful. All right. How do I turn you off?